Welcome. Today, we'll discuss an essential step in setting up your business, obtaining a federal tax ID number, also known as an Employer Identification Number or EIN. This number, issued by the IRS, is crucial for various business operations and establishing business credit, laying a solid foundation for your company's future growth. An EIN is key to separating your personal finances from your business finances. This separation is crucial for building business credit, as it allows financial institutions and credit bureaus to evaluate your business independently of your personal credit history. By distinguishing your business as a separate entity, an EIN provides a clearer and more accurate picture of your business's financial health. To open a business bank account, you'll need an EIN. This is often required before you can secure business loans or lines of credit. Financial institutions need an EIN to verify and process your business credit applications. Without it, accessing the capital you need for growth and operations can be challenging. An EIN also plays a vital role in establishing relationships with suppliers and vendors. Many suppliers offer trade credit, which allows you to purchase goods and services on credit, improving your cash flow. Suppliers and vendors often check your business's credit history, and having an EIN ensures accurate reporting and evaluation of your credit activities. Having an EIN enhances your business's credibility and professionalism. It signals to potential lenders, investors, and partners that your business is serious and well-structured. This perception can be advantageous when seeking financial support or negotiating favorable terms with suppliers. Operating with an EIN demonstrates your commitment to compliance and a strong organizational foundation. In conclusion, securing an EIN is a strategic move for your business's long-term success. It ensures the clear separation of personal and business finances, facilitates opening business accounts, and supports establishing trade credit relationships. An EIN not only helps in accessing necessary funds, but also boosts your business's credibility and professionalism in the eyes of lenders, investors, and partners. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about obtaining an EIN, feel free to ask.